Hello, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, matibay student.
Siyempre naman, welcome to Matibay Class.
Yes, ituloy na natin.
Kung kanina 24,
Ngayon 26,
25.
sure.
Papalapit na tayo
26.
sa ating last number
Topic na lang
26.
next
Oh.
week. Our module 25 is all about illustrating analysis of variance, or ang favorite namin ni Sir Jason, ANOVA.
Ano ba? Oo.
ANOVA. Okay. During college, yan yung isa sa pinagkaabalahan natin, naalala mo.
Oo, kasi mahaba-haba.
Pati nung masteral pala. Okay. So for this topic, we have two objectives again.
Okay, first one is what? To analyze and solve problems on determining differences between two variances through ANOVA.
And apply the one-way analysis of variance in testing significance or more than two means. Ayan.
Okay, ano nga ba tinatawag nating ANOVA?
Analysis of variance.
Yes, analysis of variance.
Okay.
Analysis of variance or ANOVA is a comparison test used to determine the significant difference among normal population means. The comparison in means of three or more populations which follow normal distributions can be simultaneously in just one application of the test. Oh.
Parang ang gulo. Pero later on, ma-explain natin yan sa iyo ng bonggang-bongga. And of course, the following assumptions should be met in the use of ANOVA.
Meron tayong tatlo.
Yes, tatlo. First is the various groups are assumed to be with normal populations.
If the variance of the different groups is assumed to be equal.
And the random samples in the groups should be independent. Yan yung tatlong kailangan nating i-consider. Okay.
Okay, we have type of analysis variance.
First is one-way classification. It uses a single factor, fixed effects model to compare the effects of the factor. For example, brands of coffee, types of retail stores, on a continuous dependent variable. Second one,
basahin mo muna kapatid na may kachat ako na importante.
Two-way classification. The test statistics of ANOVA is the F ratio. Ito yung una, yung one-way classification, madali lang kasi given yung iyong mga hahanapin. For second one, meron tayong formula na gagamitin. And ano yung mga yon? Here's the formula for our F ratio. Meron tayong
I think we have 6 steps.
Ayan.
Okay? First one is the total sum of squares or hahanapin natin si TSS. Okay? And this is equal to summation of x squared minus x squared all over n. But parang may mali dyan.
Papakita natin yan mamaya dun sa written natin.
Where x is the value of each entry and n is the total number of items or entry. I think meron tayong video na yan.
Yes, meron yan. And second is the sum of squares between columns or SS sub B. It is equal to 1 all over number of rows times the summation of each column squared, or eto
minus,
po siya.
okay, meron mag-iba yan. Ima-minus niya.
Minus summation of x
Nasa labas naman si
squared all over n.
And of course, number 3 is the sum of squares within columns. O ang tinatawag nating SS sub W. And that is equal to TSS minus SSB. O ang tinatawag namin ni Ma'am Tintin na step 1 minus step 2.
Yes. Number 4, mean sum of squares between MSS sub B or SSB all over DF sub B. Where DF is equal to number of columns minus 1. Ano na nga yung DF natin? Degrees of freedom. So, alam nyo na paano i-solve.
And number 5 is the mean sum of squares within ang tinatawag nating MSS. Okay, sub W, malakas maka-DSW diyan is equal to SSW all over DF sub W, where DF sub W is equal to row times column minus C.
Okay, and lastly, we have F value is equal to MSS sub B all over MSS sub W.
After which, malalaman na natin ang tinatawag nating F ratio.
Yes,
okay. Ang tinatawag nating ANOVA.
So that's it. Let's now proceed with our
examples. So let's consider this table mga anak. So we have 8 respondents. Okay? Yan ang tinatawag natin N mamaya. Am I right? So meron tayong brand A, brand B, brand C. So Jason, ba't napakadami? When we say ANOVA, okay, ang kiko-consider kasi natin is 3 or more What do we call this one, ma'am?
Samples.
Samples, okay. Okay, so we have brand A, brand B, and brand C. Okay, so this is our X, XB, and X sub C. Uunahin natin si brand A. Okay, sabi ni brand A dito sa ating fourth column, i-square lang daw natin si respondent 1 to 8. So, how can you do that? Alam
Using
naman natin,
mahiwagang calculator.
You have 4.5 squared. Nakikita ba, ma'am?
Yes.
Equal to 20.25. Okay, ma'am? 4.1 squared is equal to 16.81. Next is 3 squared. Alam naman na natin yan. 9. So, 5.3 squared. Dapat dito mga anak is talagang dahan-dahan kasi 1 miss, mali na lahat. Tama, Ma'am Tintin?
Oo.
4.8 squared is equal to 23.04. Next is 2.7 squared is equal to 7.29. 4.3 squared is equal to 18.49. We have 3.8 squared is equal to 14.44. Okay, let's now move on our brand B. I-squared lang po natin ang lahat ng value ni B. So we have 3.2 squared, that is equal to 10.24. 3 again, squared is 9. 3.8 squared is equal to 14.44. 3.9 squared is equal to 15.21.
30 minutes tong video discussion na to.
4.2 squared is equal to 17.64. Sorry. Next is 3.1 squared is equal to 9.61. 4 squared is actually 16. Then 3.3 squared is equal to 10.89. Okay, let's move on to C. 3 squared is 9. 2.8 squared is equal to 7.84. 3.2 squared is equal to 10.24. Medyo bilisan natin. 3.6 squared is equal to 12.96. 3.5 squared is equal to 12.25. Pareho lang po sila ng susunod. 12.25. 3.9 squared is equal to 15.21. And 3.6 squared is equal to 12.96.
Ayan, next step natin, Sir Jason, is isosolve natin yung summation. Kapag sinabing summation is add. So, i-add natin lahat ng sagot kay A
brand
squared.
A squared, kay brand B squared,
Yes.
and brand C squared.
Unahin natin yung A,
let's
sir.
start with A squared. Nakita mo, ma'am?
Yes, ako mag-dictate na lang.
Dictate mo, ma'am, please.
Okay. So, 20.25.
Okay.
16.81. 9.
Okay. Ano?
9.
Oh.
28.09.
Okay.
23.04. 7.29. 18.49. 14.44. Equals.
Equal. So, summation
Ayan.
po ito ng ating
A squared.
A squared. Okay? So, this is equal to 137.41. Lagyan natin ng ganyan para bongga.
Ayan.
Okay? Dictate, ma'am. Sabi naman tayo, summation of
B.
squared. Ma'am Tintin.
10.24.
Okay.
9.
Okay.
14.44. 15.21. 17.64. 9.61. 16. 10.89.
So, 103.03.
Yes.
Okay, how about summation of C squared? Ma'am Tintin.
We have 9.
9. Hindi na yata nakikita pa rin.
7.84.
7.84.
10.24.
10.24.
12.96.
12.96.
12.25.
12.25.
12.25.
12.25.
15.21.
15.21.
12.96.
12.96 equal to 92.6. 71. Next, Ma'am Tin.
Next, meron na tayong ABC. Kukunin naman natin ang summation of yung tatlo na yan. Summation niyang tatlo na yan.
B squared and
C squared.
C squared. So, lahat ito, pagplaplasin natin, ibig sabihin. So, we have now, basa,
137.41.
Okay. Ay, sorry. Okay.
103.03.
Okay.
92.71.
0.71. That is equal to
Ayan.
333.15. Next.
Last
Ito naman
Last sa table na ito, kukunin naman natin yung summation ng lahat ng x.
Okay, lahat ng x na walang squared ay pagplaplasin natin. Tama, Ma'am Tintin?
Yes.
So, lahat ito, pak, pagplaplasin lang natin. Nag-gets, Ma'am Tin?
Yeah.
Okay, Ma'am Tintin, basa.
4.5.
Nakikita ko sa video.
Yes.
Okay.
4, ulit na.
4.5, 4.1, 3.
3, 5.3.
3 plus,
4.
ay sorry, 3 plus
5.3.
okay.
4.8.
Okay.
2.7.
Okay.
4.3.
Okay.
3.8.
3.8.
3.2.
3.2.
3. 3.8.
Okay.
3.9.
Okay.
4.2.
Okay.
3.1.
Okay.
4.
Okay.
3.3.
Okay.
3.
Okay.
2.8.
Okay.
3.2 pala.
3.2.
3.6.
Okay.
3.5.
Teka lang. 3.6 na tayo tapos, no?
Opo.
So, wala na siyang space. Equals plus.
3.5.
Okay.
3.5.
Okay.
3.9. 3.6.
Wala na.
Opo.
So, the summation is 88.1.
Point.
Summation of x. Is it, Ma'am Tintin?
Yes.
So, 88.1. Again, summation of x. Lahat po na walang squared, pinag-plus natin.
Oo. Summation of x or summation of A, B, and C.
Okay. Wala na tayong problema dyan.
Yes.
So, pagkatapos ng table na dyan, let's proceed on our
Formulas.
formula. Okay. Let's now move on our 6 steps in computing ANOVA. And our first step is, of course, to get our TSS, which stands for
Total sum of
total
squares.
sum of squares. And our formula is summation of x squared minus summation of x all over n. Sa ating PG mga anak ay ang formula niya is summation of x squared minus x squared. This is wrong. So, ang susundan natin mga anak ay ang aming discussion. Again, the formula in finding our TSS is equal to summation of x squared minus summation of x all over n. Kanina mga anak, kinuha na natin ang summation ng ating x squared. Ito yon, pinag-plus natin itong tatlo. Ang nakuha natin is 333.15. Nakakasunod, Ma'am Tintin?
Yes.
333.15 minus summation of x. Pinag-plus na rin natin ang ating x kanina mga anak at ang lumabas is 88.1. 1. Okay, all over. Ano bang n natin? Our n is the total number of respondents o ang tinatawag nating sample.
Yes,
tama?
sample
So,
size.
this is 8. Okay, isa-isayin natin para hindi kayo malito. Using your calculator, we have 333.15 minus 88.1 is equal to, we have 245.05 all over 8. Our TSS is equal to 30.63125. Ma'am Tintin, what? Ilan ang kukunin natin?
Lahat na.
Lahat na.
Yes.
Sige, kukunin natin lahat para hindi tayo magkamali.
Okay. Next step.
Ayan, before we proceed on our step 2, kailangan na rin pala natin i-total ang summation ng A.
Nakalimutan natin. Yes.
Summation of A is equal to, ma'am,
4.5.
4.5.
4.1.
4.1.
3.
3.
5.3.
5.3.
4.8.
Okay.
2.7.
Okay.
4.3.
Okay.
3.8.
Equal to 32.5.
Yan. Kailangan pala yung total.
Summation of B is equal to
3.2.
okay.
3.
Okay.
3.8.
Okay.
3.9.
3.9. Okay.
4.2.
4.2.
3.1.
3.1.
4.
4.
3.3.
3.3. 28.5. Nakikita, ma'am?
Yes.
Yes, this is 28.5. Okay, and summation of C. 3 plus
2.8.
Okay.
3.2.
Okay.
3.6.
Okay.
3.5.
Okay.
3.5.
Okay.
3.9.
Okay.
3.6.
Okay. 27.1. 27.1. Okay, let's proceed to our third step. Okay, let's proceed on our step 2, ang ating SSB, or what we called sum of squares between columns. Okay, our formula is equal to 1 all over n times summation of a squared plus summation of b squared plus summation of c squared minus summation of x all over total number of n. Sir Jason, ano yung total number of n? Kapag sinabi natin total number of n, lahat yan mga anak bibilangin natin. So 8 plus 8 is 16 plus another 8 is 24. So yun. So let's have this one. Okay, kanina alam na natin ang mga values ng mga yan. 1 all over our n is equal to
8.
8, isn't it? So, gawin natin small to para hindi sila ma-confuse. 1 all over 8 times. Okay? Summation of a squared is equal to what? 32.5. 32.5. I-square natin to, ma'am, isn't it?
Yes.
Plus. Okay, summation of b, 28.5. 28.5 squared plus summation of c, 27.1. 27.1 squared. Okay? Minus summation of x, but our summation of x is 88.1. So this is 88.1 all over. Okay? Total number of n, sabi natin kanina, 8 plus 8 is 16 plus 8 is 24. Okay? For the benefit, okay, marami kasi nagre-request ng Tintin, sir, ang gamitin nyo next time yung pang mahirap na calculator or yung basic calculator lang.
Yung
pinaka-simple na calculator. So, kailangan nating isa-isahin lang yan, mga anak. So, 1 all over 8, magi-start po tayo sa loob. Okay? So, we have now 32.5 squared is equal to 1,056.25 plus 28.5 squared, tama?
Yes.
Is equal to 812.25 plus 27.1 squared, isn't it? Equals 734.41. Okay? Minus 88.1 all over 24. Nakakasunod, ma'am?
Yes.
Equal to, doon tayo. Okay, so doon tayo sa loob. We have 1,056.25 plus 812.25 plus 734.41 equals. Tama, ma'am?
Yan.
So, we have 2,602.91. Sinulat ko na kanina.
Galing, ah.
Kinopya ko lang. Okay? So, next step is what, ma'am Tin?
Simplify yung numerator.
Simplify natin. So, again, multiplying fraction to whole number. Ang gagawin lang natin is to multiply numerator to numerator and denominator. So, 2,602.91 times, yun na po, 1 is equal to, divided by 8 is equal to 325.36375. Sinusulat po natin lahat minus. Ito po yun. 88.1 all over 24. Yan, pwede na natin i-dire-diretso. Tama, ma'am?
Yes.
So, we have now 325.363.75 minus 88.1 is equal to, divided by 24, our SSB is equal to 9.88.
89.
Dalawa lang. So, dito kinuha natin lahat.
Sige, lahat na lang.
Lahat na lang para mas ano, ma'am. 885989583.
Yan.
Okay.
Ang daming sagot.
So, yan po ang ating SSB. So, kinukuha muna natin lahat, ma'am.
Okay, reminder, step 2 pa lang yan.
Step 2 pa lang yan. So, let's proceed to step 3. Okay, step 3 is what we call finding our SSW or sum of squares within columns. O ito ang ating SSW. And our formula is equal to TSS minus SSB. Napakadali. Yan po yung step 1 minus step 2.
Yes.
Okay, our step 1 is equal to our TSS equal to 30.63125 minus SSB. Sinusulat po natin lahat dahil gusto po naming accurate. 9.885 989583. Okay? So our SSW is equal to, ma'am, dictate 30.
63125 minus
Okay.
9.88
88
59
59
89
89
583.
583
Yeah.
equal to, dictate
20.74
yes
52
yes
60 45. Ang hirap pag-dictate.
42
Tingnan mo.
mag-dictate na nga lang.
Baliktad kasi nagbibideo
Okay.
ako.
So 20.74 526042. So let's
Yes.
proceed now to step 4. So step number 4, malapit-lapit na tayo.
Yes.
Step number 4, itatawagin nating MSSB. Ang tinatawag natin mean sum of squares between. Okay? And our formula is SSB all over DF, where DF or degrees of freedom is equal to number of columns minus 1. So kunin muna natin si DF. DF, ilan pong number of columns natin? Take note, ang pinag-aaralan natin is 1, 2, and 3.
Yes,
or brand A,
columns.
brand B, brand C. So this is 3
3
minus 1. Okay, so our DF would have been
2.
2. Okay? Alam na po natin ang SSB natin. Paulit-ulit po tayo.
9
Our SSB is equal to, basa, 9.885 989583 all over 2. Tama, ma'am?
Yes.
So, using our calculator, 9.885989583 divided by 2 is equal to, mambasa,
4.94
okay, okay,
29
okay,
94
okay,
792.
okay.
Ayan.
Sa exam nila, i-indicate na lang natin, ma'am, kung ilang digits ang kukunin nila sa
Yes.
bawat step. Okay, let's proceed to our step number
5.
5. Okay, step 5 naman po ang tinatawag nating MSSW or what we called mean sum of squares within. Okay, our formula is SSW divided by DF. Alam na po natin ang ating SSW. Ito po yun.
Yes.
So we have now,
20.
ma'am, 20.
0.74526042
all over
2.
DF is 2 equal to 20.7452, tama ma'am? 6042, tama ma'am? Divided by 2 is equal to 10.37263021. Whew. And we are down to our last step. Finding our F value. Our F value is equal to MSSB all over MSSW. Nakuha na natin kanina ang ating MSSB and MSSW. Basa, ma'am. MSSB is equal to
4.9429494792.
Mas mabilis mo ang
Nakatingin ako
magbasa.
sa video.
9429947 na, okay? While our MSSW is 10.37263021 equal to 4.94299472. Tama, ma'am, Tin? Divided by 10.37263021 equal to 0.476542081. Pero kapag sinabi namin doon sa ating
Google Form.
Form
final
is
exam.
Convert your final answer on 4 digits right after the decimal point. The answer is 0.4765. Okay, mahaba-habang step, Ma'am Tintin. What is the key? Dapat dun pa lang sa table, hindi ka na magkakamali.
Kasi pag nagkamali ka sa table,
wala na.
Wrong na lahat. Huwag
Okay.
kayong maduduling kagaya ko.
Madali lang po.
Maproseso.
Siya, pero super dali.
Yes.
Okay, meron na tayong guide. That's all for our module 25, Ma'am Tintin. And lagi niyong tatandaan, love na love namin kayo.
Yes.
Okay.
Congratulations again in advance.
Okay. And lahat tayo ay #matibay.